Before you can send any cold emails, you need to determine how many domains and mailboxes you'll need. So let's say you want to contact 1,500 prospects each month. How do you figure out how many domains and mailboxes you'll need? Well, first of all, you need to figure out how many emails you'll actually send. So let's say, will you send an initial email with 4 follow-ups, or will it be initial email plus 2 follow-ups? Determine that before you go to buy any domains or mailboxes. So let's say we're doing 1 initial email and 2 follow-ups. To figure out how many domains and mailboxes we'll need, we simply go to Mailforge and we use Mailforge as mailbox calculator. Right? So here it says select emails per contact. So we're doing 1 initial email and 2 follow-ups. So 3 total emails per contact, per prospect, right? Then we select how many mailboxes we want to have with each domain. So do we want to just have Simon at Salesforge, or should it be Simon Simonas at Salesforge, you know? Usually I suggest doing 2. So select 2 and then type in how many contacts you would actually want to process each month. So we started, I told you, let's say you wanted to do 1,500 prospects. If you want to reach out to 1,500 prospects, you'll need 5 domains and 10 mailboxes to actually stay below the best deliverability limits, which is like 30 cold emails a day, right? And 20 of them, additional 20 go to warm up. So if you want to send 1,500, that's what you need. If you want to send 3,000, if you want to reach 3,000 new prospects each month, you need 8 domains and 15 mailboxes to actually, follow the rules of cold email and get the best deliverability possible. If you want to send 5,000 emails, you need 13 domains and 25 mailboxes. Simple as that. And Mailforge right away tells you the pricing. If you want, you can just buy everything here. Domain setup, you buy domains, forwarding, DMARC, DKM, SPF, automatic setup, right? Custom domain tracking, and then you can get mailbox with ease as well. You auto-generated names or your own picked names. Everything set up real quickly. So if you want that, I suggest taking a look. Bye.